morning everyone. I hope you all are well. I am Shruti, your maths teacher. So, are you seeing here two figures? One figure, this is square shape I have drawn, and second figure I have drawn of cube, right? So, what is the formula of this one? Area of square is equal to side of square, right? And volume of cube, what is the formula of this one? It is A of cube. Clear? Now, do you think what it is we recall as a power? Index, or you can say that exponent. And today's our topic is index and exponent. Same like this one, this power 3, this raised to power 3 is we call a power index and exponent. Okay, and side is your base. Side is we call a base, and same A is representing your base. So now is it clear what is the exponent? Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss the law of exponent. Okay, one by one we will discuss. By this it will be clear to you more. Now look at your first property. First is your if base is same, if base is same in multiplication. In multiplication you can say that multiply. Okay, then powers will be add. Powers will be add. How? Now look at the example here. Suppose 3 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 5. Now see, I have already told you this one is your base and this is your power. Now what are you looking here? Base is same. So which sign is given to you? Multiple sign. So powers will be add. Okay, and you will be write 1 time 3. Okay, don't repeat it. So 3 raised to power 4 plus 5 9. So 3 raised to power 9. Like this you can find out the answer. Now look at your second exponent. If base is same in division, or you can say that divide, whatever. Okay, then powers will be subtract. For example, 4 raised to power 8 divide 4 raised to power 5. Clear? Now see, base is same and which sign is given to you? Division sign. So here powers will be subtract. So 4 raised to power 8 minus 5, it's 3. So 4 raised to power 3 is your answer. Okay. Now look at the third property is if base of the power is negative, then base will be reciprocal. Then base will be reciprocal. Okay, how? For example, you have to given 2 raised to power minus 3. I have written power is negative. Now this is your power and it is negative, and this is your base. So what will happen? Base will be reciprocal. Here is 2. Nothing is given to you. It means you will be put 1 from yourself. So it is 1 by 2 and your power will become positive. Okay. Base will be reciprocal and power will become positive. Okay. Look at your next one. If base of the power of the power, if base of the power, then what will be happen? Then powers will be multiplied. Powers will be multiplied. For example, 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 3. Now पावर ऑफ पावर, एक पावर के साथ फिर दूसरी पावर है. क्लियर? देन व्हाट वी विल डू? इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. सो बेस विल रिमेन एज इट इज एंड पावर्स वी विल डू मल्टीप्लाई. सो व्हाट आंसर विल कम? 5 raised to power 6. Suppose the power of power is given to you in fraction form. Look at the another example. Suppose this is given to you 5 raised to power 2 and raised to power 1 by 2. Second power is given to you in fraction. Then what you will do? वही step है, same step, just you have to do the multiply. But if is there any cutting, if is there any simplest form, then you have to simple it. Okay. So 2 will be cancelled out. So what answer will come? Only a 5. Clear? Now look at the another property. Fifth law. If base of the power is 0. Base of the power is 0. Then what will be happen? See, for example, 3 raised to power 0. This is your base and power is 0. Then it will be changed into 1. Always answer will come a 1. Is that clear? I repeat, if any number of the power is 0, you can say that any number of the power is 0. For example, it can become in variables like x raised to power 0. Then also answer will come 1. 1000 raised to power of 0. Also it will come 1. So just you have to focus on the power of 0. Is that clear? Now we will start question. By this it will be clear to you more and we will use this result in the question. So all of you please open your maths books, page number 873. Look at your first question. Write the simplest numerical value. Look at your first part. Your value is 1 by 3 raised to power 0. This is your power and this one is your base and power is 0. Now you remember what rule we have discussed right now. If any number of the power is 0, then what answer will come? Always 1. Clear? So like this you have to attempt the power of 0 value. Look at the second question. 27 raised to power 2 by 3. First of all, which base is given to you, then you have to make the factors of that number. So what is the factor of 27? 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. You can find out by LCM. If you don't know, then you can find out by LCM like this. Okay. Otherwise you can write down simply. Now how many times 3 has come? 3 times. So I will write down 3 raised to power 3 because it has come 3 times. And you have to given a power 2 by 3 also. We have already done this rule. What is the rule? If base of the power is given to you, it will be multiplied. So powers will be multiplied. If is there any simplest form, then you have to cut it. So what is left? 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 means you will be write down 2 times 3. Don't do the multiply with 2. It is totally wrong. Power of 2 means 2 times you will be write down. Okay. So 3 multiply 3, it is 9. Now look at your C part. In C part 27 third. What we will recall? It is your third. Okay. Power is minus 4 by 3. So first of all, whenever you have to given a third, then what you will do? See here, 27 raised to power minus 4 by 3 is given to you, and this third will become 1 by 4. If 5 is given to you, then it will be changed into 1 by 5. 6 is given to you, then you will be write down 1 by 6. So what number is given to you with third, you have to write down in fraction form. Okay. So now if is there any cutting, then cut it. 4 and over 4 will be cancelled out. So it is 27 raised to power minus 1 by 3 is left. Now again you have to make the factors of this number. So may I write 3 raised to power 3 and power is given to you, multiply 1 by 3. So cut it, what you will get? Minus 1. Look at here. Now your power is coming negative. We have already discussed this one rule also. If base of the power is negative, then what we will do? Base will be reciprocal and power will be positive. So 3 by 1, it will be changed into 1 by 3 and power will become positive. So minus 1 will be changed into plus 1. And how many times you have to do the multiply? Only a 1 time. So answer is 1 by 3. Okay. So first question, it's your homework. Rest of the parts you will try it. And if you will get any doubt, we will discuss in the Zoom class. And I will send it by PDF to you. Okay. So thanks and have a nice day.